Alright guys, got something cool for you today. If you ever wanted to make a catch can or an overflow tank out of a Jack Daniel's whiskey bottle, I've got what you need. So I had JC Customs make me some of these billet aluminum caps. So it's got a double O-ring on it, and it's recessed in there to cover up the threads from the cap, and then it's threaded on both ends. It has a little vent hole. You can see that goes all the way through. So basically all you do is you put a fitting on the bottom, a fitting on the top. On the bottom side you just run a hose that goes down deep enough to get to the bottom of the bottle. Put a fitting on top. These things just push in just like that, and you mount this in your car, your hot rod, and you got a cool catch can radiator overflow, or whatever you want to use it for. These are available at killfab.com right now. I've only got 10 of each color, so if you think it's something you want, I suggest you go over there and get it. Now I will say these only fit this size bottle that I know of. I've tried a couple of the other ones. I've even tried some of the like Crown Royal, and they don't quite fit. This is the 750 milliliter, so just keep that in mind.